Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video we show you how to prepare your hot spring spot for hot weather. Before we get started, let's go over the tools and parts you will need. Tools you will need: 2 pieces of foam, chlorinating granules. Step 1. Turn the jet pumps on high speed. Step 2. Place 2 tablespoons of chlorine into the filter compartment to shock the spa and run the jets for 10 minutes. Step 3. Place a piece of foam or similar object underneath each corner of the cover to let heat escape from the spa. Step 4. Turn the temperature down to 80 degrees on the control panel. Step 5. Activate the summer timer on the control panel. On the control panel, simultaneously press and hold for 3 seconds temp plus and temp minus buttons to activate the summer timer. It is recommended to activate the summer timer in the morning so that the spa is off during the hottest part of the day, and so that the circulation pump will start up again in the evening when you're ready to enjoy the spa. On the control panel, press the Options Hard button. Press the Setup Soft button. Press the Summer Timer Mode Soft button to activate. Press the Mode Down button until the Tools menu is illustrated. Then press the On Up button to enter Tools submenus. Press the Mode Up button until Summer is illustrated on the display. Press the On Up button to activate the Summer Timer mode. Press the Options Hard button on the control panel. Press the Soft button next to Setup. Press the Soft button next to Summer Timer to activate. Press the Settings icon on the home screen to display Summer Timer. Press on or off to activate or deactivate the summer timer. Press the settings icon on home screen to display summer timer. Press on or off to activate or deactivate the summer timer. Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.